Hey, how you doing? Welcome to the Green Regimen. My name is Ty, and this week we wanted to make you a quick video about a question that we receive very often. Now that question is there a blender that you would recommend? Now here's the situation. There's a lot of blenders out there in the market, and there's a lot of good blenders. But you know what? We actually came across a very good blender that we wanted to share with you. Now take a look at it here. It's called the Breville Hemisphere Control Blender, and it has a sleek design with some pretty cool features. And in addition, it's about $300 less than a lot of the higher end blenders. For starters, it has a 48 ounce BPA free copolyester jug, and at the base of the jug are 6 stainless steel blades. 2 of the larger blades hug the bottom of the jug, while the 4 serrated blades help pull down the ingredients and blend up the mixture. Now in terms of the blender itself, it's made out of a sturdy die-cast metal base, which is perfect so the blender isn't jumping all over the counter. And the Hemisphere Control also contains 8 pre-controlled settings with a timer and a very nice LCD screen. So you know, this week we're going to make the Blueberry Blast Smoothie, and we're going to go ahead and test the power of this blender. So let's check it out. So the first ingredient we're going to use is almond milk, and almond milk is a great alternative to regular milk, followed by a frozen banana. Banana is high in potassium. Potassium is great for our heart and helps keep us lean by removing the excess water that we retain in our bodies. Next, we're going to go with a cup of blueberries, and blueberries are great because they're filled with antioxidants, and antioxidants help protect us from cancer. And our final ingredient, because we are the Green Regimen, we're going to go with 1 cup of spinach, and spinach is high in vitamins K, A, and C, and phytonutrients as well. And what's also great about this blender is that it already comes with a smoothie setting, and it also comes with a liquefy setting, and both of those settings are pre-timed for 1 minute. So you can just throw your ingredients in the blender, hit the button, and then go ahead and do something else that you need to do within that minute. Just don't forget your smoothie. All right, here we go. And the Green Regimen loves our smoothies to have a nice smooth pour, because that signifies that all the ingredients have been blended thoroughly. Now, most importantly, how does the Blueberry Blast taste? Fantastic, just like all the Green Regimen smoothies. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you subscribe to the Green Regimen channel. And you know what? While you're at it, go ahead and subscribe and check out Breville's channel. They have a lot of nice recipes and a lot of interesting products. Always remember, don't ever forget this. A smoothie a day keeps the doctor away. We'll see you soon.
Hi, I'm Karen Calabrese, and welcome to Karen's Kitchen. And today I have a guest in the kitchen that's going to help me make some food. This is Yosan.
Hello, hello, hello.
And Yosan, do you do a lot of cooking in the kitchen, or is this your...
Actually, I don't do really a lot of cooking. When I do my cooking, it's usually like raw.
Oh, well, when I say cooking, food prep. Do you do a lot of food prep for yourself?
Enough, yes.
Okay, good for you. So we've got a man with experience in the kitchen. We don't often see that, all right? We're lucky today. All right, so what I thought we would do today would just be a real easy, simple smoothie. I know you like smoothies. You mentioned that to me earlier. And I thought we'd use blueberries. Some call this the healthiest food on the planet. Blueberries are so good for us. And it's good for your memory, and it's good for balancing blood sugar levels, and they're also very expensive, so they must be good for you, right? So we're going to use blueberries. We're going to use nut milk that we made ourselves with almond, and we have on our channel a station where you can find out how to make the nut milk. Do you know how to make nut milk? No. It's very simple.
Interested.
So you can go to my YouTube station, and maybe when this is over I'll show you how to do it too. So we're going to use nut milk, probably about 16 ounces. We're going to use about 4 ounces of blueberries, and some frozen banana. So we got frozen blueberries, frozen banana, a little agave to taste, and ice. So have you ever used a Vitamix before?
Nope.
Okay, one of the best blenders on the planet. So let's get started. I'm going to let you make this for us, okay, since you're a man about the kitchen. So let's start out by putting our blueberries and our bananas in.
Actually, my smoothie this morning had blueberries and blackberries in it.
And what else was in it?
Kale leaves.
So why didn't you come teach me that today?
Sprouts.
Okay. very good. So let's put our nut milk in.
Oh,
Yeah, let's put it all in because it's going to be a smoothie for both of us. And we'll put in some agave to taste. Let's just, we'll put in some and then we'll taste it and see if we need more.
this is for sweetness.
Yes, right? And let's put some ice in there. And really, folks, this is just about the generals. You could use any fruit here, but I love the purple. It's going to be beautiful, all right? Let's put the top on.
Let's get it.
Let's get it going. Maybe you should sing a little song for us to go along with this, right? You got a song for when you blend? Go.
Freestyle listen.
So the beauty of a raw food kitchen, or any kitchen to be honest with you, you don't have to follow exact, and I just wanted more of a purple color, all right? I want it to be a vibrant purple color. So we're gonna add more frozen blueberries, and that's not gonna really do anything, but really kind of thicken it up. Let's get all of them out there, all right?
Plus.
Okay, now let's see what we got. We'll put our hand over, we'll start it a little lower. Now. It's a brain food, right? I forgot to mention that. It is a brain food for us. Okay, so we've made our purple smoothie. We call it purple passion here at Karen's. You want to serve us some? Would you do that? Isn't this great? He's in the kitchen cooking for us, or uncooking for us.
Ah, look at that.
Look.
That's good stuff.
You got some kind of song for us, Yosan, to go with the purple passion?
I'm
putting
still thinking.
I'm kind of putting him on the spot there.
Still thinking.
Is that beautiful?
Purple passion.
Makes you passionate too.
Berry smoothie. Brain food.
Let's put a little bit more in this one, and then we'll go sit down and have our drinks together.
Purple or the better. Call it the Barney drink.
The Barney drink, I like that. Or one of my clients called it the Purple Monster. All right, here's to you. And please join us on our YouTube channel and get the basics for all of our foods here, making the nut milk, making other smoothies, and send us your questions and your thoughts and anything that you'd like for us to make for you. And thank you so much, Yosan, for joining us today.
For having me.
Okay, here's to you, sweetheart.
Welcome to Christina's Kitchen. I'm Christina McFeeters. Today we will explore one of my favorite ways to include blueberries into my diet. To make blueberry smoothie, we're going to start with 1 cup of our favorite type of milk. You can use soy milk, or you can get the non-refrigerated soy milk. You can get almond milk. You can use coconut milk. Any kind of milk that you would like to use, it's your favorite, you can put in here, and you need 1 cup. You do not have to have a large fancy Vitamix to make this recipe. I've also made it in a smaller version in a NutriBullet or an Oster blender or whatever kind of blender you want to use. Ninja Works too, anything you want to use to blend it. The next thing that we're going to put in is 1 frozen banana. Bananas are so easy to freeze. You just peel them and put them in a Ziploc bag and stick them in the freezer. I like to break them up in smaller chunks so they're easier to blend. Then we need 1 cup of frozen blueberries. You can also use fresh blueberries. The nice thing about using frozen is if you want more of an ice cream consistency instead of a drink, it will make it nice and thick. Next, we need some kind of sweetener. You can use apple juice concentrate, you can use raw honey, or you can use a few dates. I usually use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of some kind of sweetener. And then for a little bit of flavor, we're going to put in a little bit of vanilla. This is vanilla powder, vanilla liquid, vanilla extract, any kind of vanilla works just fine in this recipe. We're going to put in about 1/2 teaspoon. And then to add just a pinch of flavor, we're going to put a pinch of salt. If it doesn't blend well or you need it thinner, don't be afraid to add more liquid. Now what we have here is more like an ice cream than a smoothie. That's the way I like smoothie. Not a lot of water in it, but lots of fruit, and it's the most healthy ice cream that you'll ever eat. Now let's pour it and see what we have. See how easy and simple that was? And so much fun. It improves your memory. It's full of antioxidants, so many nutrients, tastes amazing, and totally guilt-free. Be sure and try this at home.